By now, you are well aware of the huge impact that the resume can have on your application. When applying for a new job, we naturally want to showcase our best. An eye-catching resume can help you do this. If you want to make this document more attractive and well-designed, you can take the help of various apps. Here are a few options with beautiful templates that you can use to elevate your resume to the next level. Canva. Canva is a tool that can be used for a wide variety of design projects, from cards to posters. One of its greatest applications is putting together a beautiful looking resume. Using the templates that Canva provides can give you a huge visual impact. A good resume is all about making sure that you stand out in the middle of the pile, and using Canva, you will truly be amazed at what you can produce. Once you are ready to create your resume, select the resume option in Canva and you will be presented with an amazing range of templates. Pick one and you can then edit the sample text with your own details. The best part is that Canva works equally well on your computer system and on your mobile as an application. So you can design a resume no matter where you are. Visual CV. When you are designing a resume, Visual CV's interface can help you make it look as good as possible. Using this website, you can put together a very professional looking CV in just a few minutes. You can choose one of the many high quality templates or even start from a blank page if you prefer. The layout makes it super simple to drop in text boxes, shapes, and images as you need. The process of editing text and moving objects around the page is very straightforward. When you are happy with the resulting resume, you can export it as a PDF. Doesn't that sound simple? Resume Builder app. If you are looking for a good resume tool that you can use on your mobile, the Resume Builder app is an excellent choice. The biggest plus is that it offers 42 different resume templates. So whether you prefer something plain and straightforward or you want a more decorative approach, the Resume Builder app has something for everyone. The app interface is very simple to master. It is also very easy to add, edit, and rearrange various sections of the resume. Overall, the app will ensure that you can customize every detail of your resume to get an output that is truly unique to you. Once you have finished designing your creation, you can download it as a PDF. You can save this on your device and share it later via email or upload it to various job search portals. This website certainly got the right name. Just like its URL, it also perfectly targets the other aspects of building a resume. If you want to prepare a good-looking document in minutes, it is one of the best choices for you. There are many neatly designed templates, ranging from simple to colorful. Select the template that you like and add your personal details to it. The website gives you full control over the headings and descriptions. You can reorder the sections or even completely remove the ones that you do not wish to include. Once you finish, you can save it as a Microsoft Word document or export it as a PDF. If you want a simple and uncomplicated tool, Resume.com is a good option. So there you are, apps and websites that can help you build your perfect resume. Using them, you can come one more step closer to that dream job.